All right guys, welcome back to another video here. Something a little bit different today. I had a piece of public land along this river stretch. I was gonna set a bunch of traps on today, and unfortunately I had to get some stitches last night, so not gonna be setting any traps, but I figured I'd come out here and at least do a little bit of scouting and see if it would be worth setting traps. So I'm just taking a walk through here and checking out the place. I actually just jumped up a bunch of, I'm pretty sure they were black ducks, probably about a dozen of them, which was pretty cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a walk along this river here, see what I can find for sign, and see if it would be worth some traps. Right here would definitely be worth one. Check this out. Hard to tell. There's a trail going right in under there, along this fence, and then right through right there. Be a spot for a snare or dog proof. So I'm just going to, I guess, give you guys an update. We'll do a little bit of scouting together here and see what we find. As you can tell right here, there's a deer trail coming through. Now, it goes down under this brush here, and you can see, let me get to the other side of it here, just to show you guys. I want to show you a spot that I would put a snare. So this trail comes down right through here and keeps going. There's a pinch point. This branch comes out, and there's the base of that tree, and that trail comes right through here. That would be a spot right there for a fox snare or raccoon snare. Be a good pinch point spot. All right guys, so if you see here, under all these trees and stuff is all rooted up. The water runs underneath of it all. You can see it's kind of hollowed out in there, and there's like some type of slide or something that goes around under those trees. That would be a really good spot to check out. Fortunately, it's over my boots there, so I can't get over and check it out, but it looks like some animals and stuff have been sliding out over there, so good spot to keep in mind. I was really hoping to find some log crossings and stuff for snares, so we're gonna keep going down and see what we can find here. All right, everyone. Trail comes right through here, right along here. Now check, and then it goes right along through there. Check this out here, guys. This is gonna be a absolute dynamite spot. Big log crossing. I mean, you can just see there's tons of tracks on it. We got big timber over there, and we got big timber back here. This right here is going to be a dynamite set. I'd put 3 snares here. I'd put a snare or 2 on this, and you can see melted in tracks. Could be fox or coyote or coon, whatever. But this is the only log crossing I've come across so far, so I would say that this is going to be a pretty dynamite spot. Definitely in need of some snares. So I'm just going to keep going, check this river bottom out, and see what else I can find here. You know, a lot of the sign I've found so far is going to lead towards some fox and raccoons, but however, this will definitely be a really good place to come back to when the mink rut is going to be on. So maybe Will and I have to come back and just load this place with some snares. Oh, right here would be a dynamite spot, guys. Bank is cut out here underneath. You know those bottom edge bricks I have with the 110 I stick on them? Killer spot for that. We'll keep going a little bit farther here and see what else we can find. All right, everyone, if you can see right there, it's kind of hard to tell, but there's a trail. There's some of these giant old trees here. I believe this one, I believe that's like a white oak, either white oak or maple. Maybe it's a maple. I'm not 100% sure. Got another one right there, but you can see that top. You can't really see it, but up there it's all hollowed out, and there's just all types of tracks and trails right here. I would have to assume There's got to be a bunch of coons living in these. I mean, that one has just got to be a dynamite coon tree right there. Especially with all these trails coming in and out of them. I mean, there's just tons of these big trees. I'd probably stick a dog proof right at the base of that. Just to laugh, see what comes out of it. Another giant one here. Wow, big trees. Very cool, very cool. Tons of deer tracks too. This might be a good spot. So we're gonna start heading our way back, and I'm going to pick up some traps I bought off a guy about an hour away from me. He was selling 60 of those the old 110 Victors, the square jaws. Will and I like those traps, including a bunch of others, but we like those. We're gonna go check them out and hopefully buy them. So there's just trails all over this place, but if that's the case, I will see you guys after I get those traps. I'm gonna walk out here one more time. Very cool, man. There's just so many deer trails and stuff you could load fox snares on. I feel like there was this other creek here that came into the there was another creek here that came into, I mean, guys, look at this. Well, I know a lot of it's deer tracks, but these trails are crazy here. I'm gonna come up this stream. Oh, you see that right there? Oh, dynamite. Let's go check it out. All right, now this here, guys, another dynamite tree. If I can get up to it here, it's pretty thick. This here, coons, fox, everything here. Oh yeah. I mean, big brush field here, big brush field here, perfect tree crossing, some tracks on it. You know, this would even be a good creek to throw a diver in, or some muskrat traps, see what's in here. But we're gonna keep going up a little ways, see what other sign we can find. Then we'll look back at the car. Ooh, I almost just fell in. Whew. All right, we'll keep going. All right, guys. If I had to guess, we got a little bit of a beaver dam down low, which is a good sign. Although none of it really looks that fresh, but you can see here, it appears right in over there, there's a hole where the water's flowing out that side. Good spot for a 110 or 160. I'm just gonna keep going up here a little bit farther. Somebody chainsawed that. And see if I can find anything else. Right there would be a killer spot for a diver. Yep. Keep going a little bit farther, see if we can find any of that more beaver sign or more muskrat sign or mink sign, whatever. But I'll tell you what, there will be critters crossing here too. This would be more of a challenging spot to get a snare, but still possible. I would not overlook that. But we're gonna keep going, see what else we can find here. Another dynamite spot. Look at this. Deer trail right up the middle of this here. Guys, it's so thick. With this trail right here in the middle. I'd load this with snares too. Right in this pinch point right here. Nice and thick. Oh yeah. A lot of good sign here. I know this is a deer trail, but you can hammer fox off of it, that's for sure. Especially just because it shoots right up the middle of this whole thing. I need to, I'm getting off of that creek, so I need to dash to the right here, see if I can get back on it. Now that I'm a ways up, check it out again. Alright guys, so I just got back to my house here. Just finished picking up those traps. It was about 55, I think is what I counted, somewhere in there. and I got them all sorted out here. They're all these old square jaw Victor traps, so they're really cool. That's a half dozen Dukes. I'm not a huge fan of the Dukes, but I know Will uses some of them. But all these old Victor square jaws are sweet. Old traps. Springs are still pretty strong. So yeah, other than that, those traps definitely need to get dyed. They're nice and rusty. So if you guys are getting into trapping and you need traps and you don't have a ton of money, search Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and stuff. That's exactly what I did, and I got 60 traps for 75 bucks, 55 traps. So probably 90% of them were in working shape, so if not more. And then the ones that need some work, they just need a couple triggers and stuff. So, but other than that, you can catch mink and muskrat and all that good jazz. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully my my hand here will get healed up quick and we'll be back to trapping and more videos and stuff. So stay tuned. I just wanted to quick hop on here and make a little video for you guys, just keep you updated. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.